What's up guys, it's Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. We have a really big day here at the workshop, so let's come check out to see what our team is getting up to. So we've got the Land Rover Defender here in for our elite exterior detail. It's going to be getting a super thorough exterior wash and decontamination, and then we're going to hit it up with a machine polish enhancement and protect it with one of our synthetic sealants. Mark's been working super hard on this Land Rover Defender here. He's now removing the wax residue that we have actually applied to it, and it is looking unreal. The owner is going to be so amazed when he sees his Defender. We can't wait to see his face. Absolutely awesome. So the Land Cruiser behind me is in for a single stage paint correction, as well as the G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra and the G-Technique EXO version 4 coating on top to just make sure it achieves the highest gloss, the best hydrophobic properties, and to look really, really amazing. So the Land Cruiser is all done. We have done the G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra Ceramic Coating plus the G-Technique EXO. It is just so glossy, it's super slick, it's unbelievable. But best of all, it now has epic protection for these owners who actually live up in Bundaberg, and they've traveled 4 hours to come down and they use their courtesy car while they're enjoying their time on the Sunshine Coast. I cannot wait to see what they're gonna say when they see their Land Cruiser. They're gonna be completely blown away. It's time to put the number plates on, do the paperwork, and then the client will be picking up tomorrow. Happy days. So when you actually get your car protected with the Crystal Serum Ultra, we give you a bit of a goodie bag here. So what you get from us is, first of all, a Bowden Zone Shag Tastic. This is what you use to wash your car. And then you get the Bowden's own Auto Body Gel. So this is the soap you use. We highly recommend this. We also give you just some brochures of what you're actually getting done on your car, such as the Crystal Serum Ultra and the G-Technique EXO. And then also we give you your warranty card, your genuine warranty card. You've got to make sure you get this to submit it, and you get the 9-year warranty, which is really, really cool. So that's what you get from us. Then we can recommend heaps of other products for you. So now you know how to wash your car. We teach you all the techniques. We go through all the processes, the do's and the don'ts. We bust some myths so that when you have your car, you don't just get the protection work done. Now you know how to maintain it confidently, and it's going to make your life so much easier and also increase the longevity of the car. So awesome.